Okay, na to sa sample problem number 1. Ato na i-apply itong knowledge. So, kani is, we have a sample, or itong sample problems here talks about the test, the constant on the falling head. Okay, so find out, papangita sa itong hydraulic conductivity for the soil if the result of the constant head permeability test, okay, for a fine sand and sample having a diameter of 150 millimeters and a length of 150 millimeters are as follows. So, muna ito ang given. So, para di ta malibog, atong isulat atong given. So, for our sample problem number 1, sa atong given, we have the diameter of, okay, sample diameter. So, atong diameter of the soil sample is equal to 150 millimeters. And length, L, is equal to 150 millimeters. Constant head difference. Diba atong hinumduman ang formula ni constant head, K is equal to volume collected times the length over the cross-sectional area of the soil sample times the head times the time. Or kung ato yung symbol, that is VL over AHT. Importante nga inyo na ma-determine. Ito sa malat mo. Constant head difference, H, 40 centimeter or equal to 400 millimeter. So, dapat na tayo unity sa units. If wala, magkarambula ta, mabuang tag sol. As common yun na nga, kakita no nga, dili yun na siya so, important nga dapat na-unity sa units. And then, weight of water collected is, so natay mass, equals to 392 grams. And then, we were asked to find hydraulic conductivity. Okay, we have the length, that is equal to 150 millimeters. Ang area, so ang area masolve na to, since this is a circle, so ang area na to is pi r squared over 4. Sorry, pi d squared over 4. Kaya naman tayo diameter. So, check. Natin L, natin A. We have H, we have the time. Now, do we have the time? Do we have the time? Yes, we have the time here. Wala ko na note. Time is equal to 83 seconds. So, natin align 83. So, how about the volume? Unsaan na to pag-solve the volume? So, if you notice natin, usa ka given diri mass, unsaan man ni nato si mass? Okay, naman tayo water, di ba? Napuntay, kabalo punta nga, density, okay, ang rho is density is equal to mass over volume. Para makuha na to si volume, sa ito ba, volume is just equal to mass over density. So, for this sample, ang atong volume is just equal to mass, 392 grams, over pila man ang density ni water. Density ni water is how much? 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter. So, murag dapat naman tayo unity sa kuan. This is grams, this is kilograms, and this is cubic meter. Nya, puro na to units diri kay millimeters, nya grams. So, if kabalo mo sa others in grams and cubic centimeters, no? Kabalo ta nga, ang water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. So, ma-cancel si grams. And then, we can see that the volume of the water di ay nga collected is just equal to 392 cubic centimeter. Or in millimeters, so para ma-convert siya in millimeters, we know that there are 10 millimeters per centimeter, and then kay naka-cube man so sa ato po siyang i-cube, then we can get that the total volume, so 392 times 10 cube, that is equal to 392,000 cubic millimeters. So, mo say nakabutang diri nga unit, no, kung unsay kwaon. Therefore, pwede na ito nga cubic millimeters or cubic centimeters. Okay, so pwede na nato ma-substitute here. K is equal to volume. We have the 392,000 cubic millimeter times the length. Again, ang length is 150 millimeters over ang area. So, pi over 4 and then diameter, square of the diameter, 150 millimeters squared times h, 400 millimeters times the time, which is equal to 83 seconds. So, input na tanan, dali nang kaayo. Ato ang hydraulic conductivity K would just be equal to 192,000 times 150 over pi over 4 times 150 squared times 400 times 83. So, this is equal to 0.1002223. So, at least 6 decimal places millimeters per seconds. So, muna ito ang hydraulic conductivity for this problem. So, kung makita diri, no, this is millimeters per seconds. So, sa answer diri is centimeters per second. So, in centimeters per seconds, i-divide ni as a whole sa 10, then that is just equal to 0.0100223 centimeters per second. So, ana lang siya ka-simple. You get all the values, convert, and then substitute.